Home remedies for Lyme disease. Lyme disease is a common summer health problem characterized by skin rashes. In this condition, the rashes develop in the bull's eye pattern, which may develop in summer. Lyme disease is accompanied by fever, joint pain, muscle pain, fatigue, sore throat, and vision issues. Caused by the bacterium Borrelia burgdorferi, this condition is transmitted to human beings by black-legged ticks like ashwagandha. It has anti-spiritual capacities, meaning this herb can directly prevent the spread of specific types of bacteria. You can either use ashwagandha by applying it on the affected area of the bite, or you can include it in your diet for natural healing of your body. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are age-old foods which are being used to reduce inflammation. Include mushrooms in your diet to get rid of the Lyme disease. Also, protein-rich and lean foods like nuts, seeds, fish oils, and fruits like kiwi, blackberry, grapefruit, etc. can help the body stay packed with nutrition to fight the health condition. Vitamin C rich foods. Lyme disease attacks the body's immunity. Therefore, consume plenty of vitamin C rich foods like olive leaf, probiotic foods, and elderberry for an immediate boost to your immune system so it can help eliminate the bacteria directly. Olive leaf. Olive leaf has antiviral and antibacterial properties which may prove to be very effective against this type of virus. It can ward off the bacteria before it can spread and worsen the condition. Turmeric. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory that can help reduce joint pain, headaches, and damage to blood vessels or nerves. Put 1 or 2 teaspoons of turmeric in 1 glass of milk.